Lesson 12.1 Exponential Functions. In this video, we will write explicit formulas for geometric sequences and determine the 10th term. So this relates back to chapter 8 in what we were doing. Why did the chicken cross the road? To get to the idiot's house. Knock knock. Who's there? The chicken. All right, vocabulary. Exponential function. Exponential function is a geometric sequence written in function notation. It gets its name because the variable is in the exponent. Half-life. The amount of time it takes a substance to decay to half its original amount. Write the explicit formula for each geometric sequence. Then use the equation to determine the 10th term. Round your answer to the nearest thousandths if necessary. Alright, so first of all, the explicit formula we're talking about is the one we got back in chapter 8. G sub n equals G sub 1 r to the n minus 1. So looking at this here, you're going to notice that 5 times 3 is 15. 15 times 3 is 45. 45 times 3 is 135. So that's our pattern. So R is 1. Pattern is 3. Our first term is 5. So we can write our geometric sequence. And then we're looking for the 10th term. So we can plug in 10 for n. Then we can subtract. And then 3 to the 9th is going to be 19,683. And then we're going to multiply that by 5 and get 98,000. And that's how we write an explicit formula and determine the 10th term. So what I'd like you to do now is pause it and try number 4. Okay, so hopefully you notice that each time we're taking half of the previous one, so that meant R is half. Your first term is 200, so we have G sub n equals 200 times half to the n minus 1, and then again we're looking for the 10th term, so we're going to take and plug in 10, and we get G sub 10 equals 200 times half to the 10 minus 1. This is a 10 in the exponent here. 10 minus 1 is 9. And then if you put 200 half to the 9th power in your calculator, you get 0.391. So the 10th term is going to be 0.391. And that's how you write the explicit formula and determine the 10th term.